Hi children, good morning. How are you all? Now in this video we shall learn a new topic, that is adjectives. And we shall also learn about types of adjectives, the definitions for each type of adjectives, and we will also look some examples so that we can clearly understand how these adjectives play an important role in the development of a language. Okay, now we shall learn about adjectives in this video. Please get ready to learn about adjectives, types of adjectives, and different examples of adjectives. Are you ready all? Okay then. If you have any doubts, please don't forget. Please post me your doubts. Okay, soon after this video, in the evening, you will get a question paper or exercise sheet. Please answer them, and please, as I send the answer key, please cross-check your answers to the question paper. Okay? And don't forget, stay home and be safe. Thank you.
An adjective. This is an important question that we must learn. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. So the main work of adjective is to describe a noun or a pronoun. For example, Vijay is a boy. Just the nouns are telling that somebody is a boy. That's it. There is no adjective here. Vijay is a boy. That's it. But exactly, is there any adjective? Yes, there is nothing. Now, Vijay is a good boy. What kind of boy? The boy is described as good boy. So, good is the adjective. And with regard to this topic, we have to learn degrees of adjectives also. And later, in the later lessons, we will be learning about degrees of adjectives. Now we shall learn about types of adjectives. There are 6 types of adjectives. They are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. These are the 6 types of adjectives that we have. Now, the first type of adjective is adjective of quality. Let's learn the definition of adjectives of quality. Words that describe quality of a noun or a pronoun is called adjectives of quality. For example, I have a nice teddy. Teddy is a noun and the quality of teddy is nice. So nice becomes the adjectives of quality. Question, and this adjective of quality, if you want to know, you need to just ask what kind of noun it is. What kind of teddy it is? It is a nice teddy, brown teddy. What kind of teddy? Cute teddy. What kind of teddy? Awesome teddy. What kind of teddy? Brown teddy. So the quality, if you want to know the quality of a noun or pronoun, if you want to know, you just need to ask what kind. That's it. Let's learn the second type of adjective, that is adjective of quantity. Words that describe quantity of noun or pronoun. Quantity means, what is the meaning of quantity? Quantity is some amount. So the quantity of noun or pronoun is indicated by adjectives of quantity. For example, I have enough money. How much? So it answers, if we ask the question how much of noun or pronoun, you will get the adjectives of quantity, that is enough. How much? Some. How much? Little. How much? More. So enough, some, little, more are the examples of adjectives of quantity. Now let us learn the third type of adjective, that is adjective of number. Words that describe exact number of noun is called adjective of number. For example, Shivani has 4 apples. How many apples? 4 apples. So this is giving you exact number. How many? So the question you need to ask to find out the adjective of number is how many. So for example, an 8, 10, an apple, 8 apples, 10 apples. So 8, 10, and are the examples of adjective of number. So if I say it is an apple, it means it is one apple. That is the meaning of it. Now let's learn the other adjective, that is demonstrative adjective. Words that points out a person, thing or animal is called demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative demonstrates, points, indicates this book is mine, this book, this is the demonstrative adjective. And the examples of demonstrative adjectives are that, these, those, this. These are the four demonstrative adjectives that we have. This is my book. For example, here this is the confusion. We have demonstrative pronouns, demonstrative adjectives are the same. In this case, the first example, this book, this is the adjective because it is describing the book, it is indicating the book. Here this is standing for the nearer noun, that is book. This is my book. So here this is the demonstrative pronoun. Now interrogative adjectives. WH words are used with nouns to ask questions. So we use WH question words with nouns to okay, so those are called as the interrogative adjective. For example, what, who, when, how. These are the which book. So which is the interrogative word and book is the noun. So before the book I have used the interrogative word. So which book is yours? Now which becomes, because it is standing before the noun, it is an interrogative adjective. So simple it is, my dear children. Now same interrogative pronouns also we have. So interrogative pronouns, if we use, WH words stands alone. So that's why it is standing alone before the verb. Which is your book? There is no nothing like which is your book, that's it. Okay, which book? Which. So when it is standing alone, it is interrogative pronoun. When it is standing before the noun, it is interrogative adjective. Now possessive adjectives. Words that are used to show ownership is called possessive adjective. Ownership, it is mine. To tell somebody that something is mine. Joe left his bat at home. His bat. So his is the possessive adjective. Joe left his bat at home. So his. And there are some other possessive adjectives are my, our, her, their, etc. And all these adjectives stand before a noun or a pronoun. That is the important point that we all must remember, my dear children. So and same way possessive pronouns also we have. Pronoun, for example, the bat next to the window is his. The bat next to the window is his. So it is the possessive pronoun because it is not describing any noun or pronoun. It is simply standing alone for the say in the place of noun or a pronoun. So it's called as interrogative possessive pronouns. Now confusion of whether word is adjective or pronoun. Word used instead of noun is called pronoun. Word used to describe noun is called adjective. This is a simple clarity that you must get, my dear children. Word used to describe nouns is called pronoun. In the place of nouns is called pronoun. And words that are used to describe nouns is called adjectives. So now like what we have learned in this video, let's recapitulate again. Types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality. It speaks about quality of the noun. For example, baby has soft skin. What is the quality of the skin of the baby? Soft. So the quality. Since it is talking about the quality, it is called adjective of quality. Now adjectives of quantity. For example, I have enough knowledge. So the quantity is here is enough. So I have enough knowledge, sufficient knowledge. So here the noun is described with exact quantity. So it's called enough. Now adjective of number. Sanjay came first in the class. So first is the number. So it is adjective. Demonstrative adjective. That pen is mine. That pen. So that is the demonstrative adjective. Interrogative adjective. Whose bicycle is this? Whose is the interrogative adjective. Possessive adjective. My mother. So my, all these are underlined words are standing before the all these underlined words are standing before the nouns. So that is the important point, my dear children. You must take it into your mind. So it stands before a noun. Thank you.